Yoo-hoo! Want a treat?
Ella va a Gilio.
Hey! For drinking water. Oh, and that water. Oh my gosh. Rocket's gonna miss these puppies. Yes.
Hey, you mad, bro?
Oh.
Wrong way, hun. This ain't it.
Get up.
Online privacy protection.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
No, she doesn't like men.
Oye, no.
Yeah.
Deixa-me trabalhar. Deixa-me trabalhar.
Ai, yo!
Что?
Dar coca de nuevo.
Dile otra
Te
vez.
voy a dar tu coca, ¿eh? Te la voy a abrir.
¡Ay, la amo!
Вот тебе прикольная игрушка.
And you might not like it, but here it is. We're getting you a puppy. It's okay. Take your time. Let that...
What are you doing over there? Huh? You okay?
Good job.
You don't have to be scared of the kitty. Are you happy? Show me your smile.
Yeah, we're gonna vacuum. You're vicious until it starts.
Slime, this your favorite show? Look at him, y'all watching Zootopia. Soft ass dog. My fault, bro. He didn't call you that.
Nala. The fact that you came in from sunbathing just to do that, just take a different one. No, can we not? Can we not? Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna see you in 6 days. No. I know, sweetie, I'm sorry. I'm going to see your Auntie Kara and my niece.
Leave them. Say no.
Can you wag your tail? Thank you. Can you get me out of the bucket? Oh, good.
Pendeja.
All right, shake. Shake. Shake.
Okay, so it's good.
You're insane.
Just unscrew it quick. Unscrew it quick.
I don't care how old she gets. I don't care how big she gets. This will always be a puppy.
Sheila ignored me. Pretended like I wasn't even there.
Oh.
Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay?
Harper, what are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Estamos aquí desde el estadio Flor Blanca para llevar la transmisión del juego de la selección del Salvador. No me negue el micrófono.
Часто спрашивают, поотрезаю я ли мажору ногти, когти. Мажор!
Does that feel good?
Слю, сюда. Ходи.
Hey! No! 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 No!
I wanted a kiss.
Scratch it, baby. Scratch it. Scratch it. Scratch it. Oh, yeah. Scratch it. Oh, yeah.
Don't huff and puff at me.
We're going to be armed. There isn't another key for you.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
No, man. Wrong. Stop.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Tago-tagoan ng mga boliw.
No, back. Go, boy.
Ma'am.
Oh my God! Please do not move, buddy.
So pretty, Rose. So pretty.
Okay. Who's flip-flop? Who's trying to live with my flip-flop?
Zrobisz up? Tam na fotelu? Wow!
Why are you messing with me? Stop!
Hey, come on. Dude, chill. Be gentle. Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks.
What?
¿Qué? Estoy bien.
I have two jobs: to calm my humans when they're stressed, and to stress them out when they're calm.
And we'll get you back out in the snow a little bit, I promise, okay? Love you.
Stay. Good job, see. That's very good.
Time to get up. Time to get up. Come on.
Yesterday I saw Lorenz last on the street from Jim, and he said he was going to be
Hey, Connie, so good to see you.
Oh, so good to see you. Oh my god.
Treat. 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 Hill. Me tiró la mordida.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing of it.
What are you doing?
It's 10 minutes. Woo! Deux, un, go, go, vas-y, go, go, go.
This is what you gotta deal with. Come on, Lou. Inside. Lou? Come on.
Dude, this is fucking legendary. Look at this. Look at this. Just look. It's like she just had a whole meal. Aspen!
Thanks for holding the drinks.
What you did, how you hurt her, how scared she must have felt in those final moments, how she probably died feeling like she was alone or unloved. You have traumatized so many of us. Our children are not able to sleep, study, have gone into
Sweetheart, she cannot throw the ball yet.
Daryl, what's he doing? He's throwing dirt on you, buddy.
I love you, and we'll get you back out in the snow a little bit, I promise, okay? Love you.
And I say, you should be scared of me. I'll eat your face like om nom 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 nom.
Ce-ai făcut, tati, aici? Ia uite, vii acasă liniștit. Ce-ai făcut, mami? Și uite ce găsești. Ce-ai făcut? De la scârbetele ăsta mic.
Winston, the pillow is not hiding your ball. Oh, wait, it is!
Be best friends. I can't. No, stop.
Say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Hey! Come on now. Why you gotta be like that? There you go. Face the right direction. No, no. Hey, hey! It's cold. God, are you serious? Come on now.
She's like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Stay there, sis.
That's a good sit. Oh.
Пума, хватит мучить кота. Пума.
Barley.
Hygo. Good boy, Hygo. Good.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got everybody, don't we? We got everybody, don't we? Yeah. Hey, quit being mean. Quit being ornery.
Rappelle-les, on les attache maintenant. Rappelle-les et il va arriver un accident.
Elles vont se faire charger, ces connes.
Sit your butt. Sit your butt if you want some cheese. What? You smile? Smile for dad. Big smile. I want to see those teeth. Big smile. Good girl.
Do you want to come in? Come on, Joe.